Are you ready to transform your outdated deck or patio? Say goodbye to cracked concrete and faded wood. Introducing a revolutionary solution from an American retailer, composite floored tiles with a stunning wood-like texture. These tiles are crafted using a blend of bamboo and wood fibers, bonded together with strong polymer resins. Weighing just 2.4 pounds per square foot, the standard version is perfect for pool areas, showers, and balconies. With their resistance to rot, mold, and insects, these tiles are incredibly durable. Plus, installation is a breeze. Simply place them directly on top of your existing surface, as long as it's sufficiently flat and free from major defects. Upgrade your space today with these high-quality tiles, available for just $6 per tile. Welcome to our next destination, Germany, home to the headquarters of one of the world's leading manufacturers of construction supplies. Among their impressive product lineup is their remarkable injection resin, an essential solution for quick and effective sealing. This versatile resin is compatible with both concrete and brickwork, effortlessly sealing water-bearing cracks ranging from 0.01 to 0.2 inches in width. Upon contact with water, a rapid reaction occurs, causing the resin to expand a staggering 60 times within seconds. It even has the power to halt water under pressure. What's more, this resin boasts an unlimited service life. For especially challenging scenarios, they offer a specialized compound for additional injection. Welcome to Sandy City, Utah, USA. A visionary property developer recognized the city's thriving economy and decided to construct warehouses and office buildings. With our local climate experiencing harsh winters, characterized by heavy rains and winds, an exceptional roof is crucial. After careful consideration, engineers devised a cutting-edge hybrid roofing system. This innovative solution combines a sturdy polystyrene base with elements of polycyanurate, ensuring superior water resistance and resilience against chemical and mechanical stress. Not only is this cost-effective, but it also simplifies construction, accelerates installation, and outperforms its competitors. As the demand for housing construction continues to grow, a reliable waterproofing system is becoming increasingly important. This German-made system is designed to compensate for tension between the substrate and tiles, and is available in standard and XL sizes. Suitable for indoor and outdoor work, including substrates made of cement, concrete, and wood, it's also ideal for installing heated floors. Made from polypropylene with felt on the backside, this waterproofing system is built to last. Let's explore another innovative product from the US that enables you to give your house a stunning stone veneer finish without needing professional help. With our solution, all you need is the ability to drive a screw into the wall. The company offers individual stone panels and special blocks for finishing columns, and you don't require any special tools or mortar. Moreover, you can work in any weather condition, and the process is as easy as playing Lego, even when working alone. Not only is it an aesthetic investment, but it is also a useful one, and the warranty lasts for 50 years. The final cost will depend on the amount of work required. When it comes to renovations, for a more substantial transformation or a complete interior overhaul, consider these remarkable concrete panels. The manufacturers boast that they are twice as lightweight as their counterparts, ensuring effortless installation. Customized panels can be ordered, catering to projects up to 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. Ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 inches in thickness, the panels can be easily trimmed on-site with a 2-person crew. A wide selection of colors is available, while designers will appreciate the captivating 3D textures. By utilizing a computer model of the space, you can envision how these panels seamlessly integrate into your design. In Australia, a remarkable initiative is underway to enhance the quality of life for Melbourne's expanding population. To accomplish this, engineers embarked on a project to revamp an old, historically significant sewage system. Thankfully, they discovered a cutting-edge solution, Rigofill ST-B blocks. Crafted from polypropylene, these blocks seamlessly integrate wastewater storage and filtration. With dimensions measuring 31.5 by 31.5 by 26 inches and a storage capacity of approximately 107 gallons, these units offer immense convenience. Installation is a breeze, as they are lightweight and easily joinable. With a small team's assistance, they achieved truly impressive outcomes. Canada is witnessing a remarkable feat as it embarks on a massive highway expansion project. To accommodate this ambitious plan, a cutting-edge system was devised to manage stormwater and river water. The local engineers deserve commendation for their exceptional work. In just 4 days, an astounding 44 sections, weighing a staggering 5,820,204 pounds, were seamlessly installed. The key to their success lies in the assembly process, reminiscent of building blocks like Lego. The constructed sections span approximately 251 feet in length and stand at an impressive height of 11.5 feet. This is only the beginning, with 2 more sections awaiting installation. Undeterred, the workers fearlessly progress, averaging a remarkable pace of 6 units per hour. Like many other countries, Italy is currently grappling with energy challenges. In August alone, prices soared by approximately 76%. In response, governments are actively seeking alternative solutions. One groundbreaking development involves harnessing solar power by utilizing a unique approach, catching the sun through water. Manufacturers propose a solution that combines a bitumen base with a special photovoltaic film. Among their notable projects is one in Naples, generating an impressive 25 megawatts, the largest of its kind worldwide. This innovative solution is even compatible with complex structures, and once installed, the roofs remain safe for walking. Up next, we take a closer look at the Netherlands, a country known for its innovative construction choices. Starting in 2025, the Dutch capital mandates that all new buildings incorporate a minimum of 20% wood or other biomaterials. This progressive move aims to lessen reliance on environmentally harmful steel and concrete production. To comply with these new standards, a remarkable solution emerges, introducing our patented foundation. This groundbreaking technology enables swift installation of wooden elements for terraces, ramps, steps, and various structures. Furthermore, this eco-friendly foundation is recyclable, reduces maintenance costs, and requires virtually no drilling during installation. Introducing a game-changing water drainage solution designed to complement paving stands and tiles, ensuring efficient water management. This innovative system features an adjustable height mechanism, making it suitable for both new construction projects and renovation endeavors. Crafted from durable PVC and aluminum materials, it offers versatile installation options on concrete or sand bases. With a range of sizes available, from compact versions showcased in the video to generous 5-foot-long variants, there's a perfect fit for every need. Best of all, this remarkable solution is affordable, with a single unit priced at just $36. On your screen, you'll find a revolutionary manhole cover by a renowned German manufacturer. These covers are versatile and ideal for heating systems, pumping stations, and power lines. What makes them truly innovative is their unique triangular shape, providing easy lifting and deterring theft attempts. The triangular panels can open up to an impressive 100 degrees and boast a self-locking mechanism, streamlining the work process for laborers. Depending on the model, the weight ranges from 57 to 79 pounds. Best of all, installation is a breeze, requiring no specialized skills. Say goodbye to ordinary covers and embrace the future of manhole technology. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.